Welcome to the 4 on 5. We begin with breaking news. The Alabama Department of Health's vaccine hotline launched on Friday, and the first day saw more than 1 million calls. This high call volume making it to where some people trying to make their vaccine appointment cannot even get past a busy signal. Gabby Easterwood spoke with some of the people trying to get through on the line. Gabby, are they frustrated?
Well, Dana, the frustrations are just extremely high. I have not spoken to one person who's been able to get through when they have called the ADPH vaccine hotline. One woman I spoke to on Saturday had actually called, I kid you not, 820 times, Dana, and she did not get through at one time. Another woman I spoke to today says she's worried because she's been trying to make an appointment for her 87-year-old mother-in-law. So again, those frustrations are extremely high, and they're all just confused as to why this is the only means of making an appointment statewide. Now, I did get the chance to speak with the Alabama Department of Public Health earlier, and they were very apologetic, and they said that they know that everyone has been getting that busy signal. And they said the launch of the call system just did not go as planned. They know now that all of these problems are going to be fixed soon. They said they have more people manning the phones, and they're also working on an online portal for vaccine appointments so that should be up and running in the coming days.
It's just been very frustrating, very disheartening, it causes more anxiety, I think, than even not knowing that there's a vaccine that might be available right then.
Hotline did not launch the way that we had expected, but we're working on that problem and continuing to refine the process so that we can serve the citizens of Alabama.
Now, they also want to remind everyone that the call log is only to make appointments with ADPH facilities. And if you plan on getting your vaccine at another location like your personal physician, you do not need to call this hotline, but to call your personal physician. But again, they are in the early stages, and the vaccines aren't going to start for that phase 1B group until next Monday. So again, patience is key. Back to you, Dana.
Well, Gabby, obviously the main problem with the hotline was that it was one number for the whole state. But did they mention any other reason behind this?
Yeah, so again, like you said, that main reason was because so many people were trying to call this one phone number. But another reason behind all of these people trying to call this one number causing a problem was the fact that some of the people calling are not even in the phase 1B group who are eligible for the vaccine right now. So ADPH is reminding everyone that there is a whole nother coronavirus hotline that you can call with questions about the coronavirus, the vaccine, or just, information in your area. But do not call that hotline to try to make an appointment unless you are in that next group who are eligible.
Another thing we saw over the weekend were these high call volumes were actually causing hospitals to see some issues too. Can you explain that a little further?
Yeah, Dana, so again, like I said just a moment ago, those high call volumes from the ADPH hotline, a lot of people not getting through, just getting that busy signal. So some people opted to call their local hospitals to try and get information on how to make an appointment for their vaccine for coronavirus. Now, this caused all of those switchboards at a lot of local hospitals, including here. Actually, Mobile Infirmary spoke to us and said they were having this issue. Those switchboards were just absolutely overrun and was actually hindering patient care at a lot of hospitals. So that was another problem they were seeing. So again, ADPH is telling everyone, do not call your local hospitals to try and get a vaccination. The two ways you need to make sure to try to get a vaccination is to either call your local physician, your personal physician, or to just go ahead and call that hotline and just wait it out.
All right, Gabby Easterwood reporting live in front of the Mobile County Health Department. Well,